Coughing, wheezing, sneezing, we all know the feeling. It's mid-October and cold and flu season is bearing down on San Diego residents. The past couple of years have been mild for cold and flu, thanks in part to social distancing and mask wearing to protect against COVID-19. But those precautions have now pretty much gone by the wayside. Dr. Cameron Kaiser of the San Diego County Health Department says things are different this year.
We're looking at a reported outbreak of flu-like illness at Patrick Henry High School, largely fever, cough, respiratory symptoms, and we're also investigating some similar reports at Del Norte High School. While this is preliminary, a number of them are already testing positive for influenza A.
Vanessa Alvarado is the mother of two Patrick Henry High School students, where hundreds of high schoolers have been out sick this week.
We've had my youngest in bed since Sunday morning, and it was almost immediately after the homecoming dance. And she had 103 fever. She slept the entire day Sunday. My oldest was sick for 2 days, so a little less affected.
The issue isn't limited to Patrick Henry. The Poway Unified School District also has large numbers of students under the weather. Christine Peck is the Chief Communications Officer for the district.
And one of our schools, Del Norte, seems to be particularly impacted. We don't know for 100% certain that it's all flu, but we do know that there are many students out, about 400 yesterday and the day before, with flu-like symptoms.
Kaiser says the reason many students are sick could be a mixture of a bad flu season coupled with other illnesses.
Flu A is the harder hitter of the two major types of flu we deal with annually, and we're already seeing an early rise in flu and other kinds of respiratory viruses in the county. And it wouldn't surprise me in the slightest if we hear more of these reported outbreaks other places and not just in high schools either.
So far, there's been over 1,000 recorded flu cases this season. Kaiser says that's a quarter of last year's total. He's urging San Diegans to get their flu shots as soon as possible in order to combat this year's early and fast-spreading flu. Jacob Aere, KPBS News.